Hey ninjas, welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about objects. Now, first let's understand what exactly are objects. In real life, everything around us is an object. For example, think about a car. A car has a model, a brand, a year, a color, and so on. In programming, an object is just a way to represent something that has different properties. To create an object in JavaScript, we use curly braces. Inside these curly braces, we define the properties of the object as key-value pairs. Here's an example. Car is the name of our object. Inside the curly braces, we have properties. Each property has two parts: the key and the value. So this object represents a car with its details grouped together. Once an object is created, we can access properties, update them, add new ones, delete properties, and even attach methods to make our objects more powerful. So let's learn them. Now that we've created an object, the first thing we need to know is how to access values inside it. We can do this in two ways: using dot notation and using bracket notation. The important thing to remember is that dot notation is easier and is used most of the time. Okay, now let's learn how to update an object. If a property already exists, we can change its value. And if it doesn't exist, we can add a new one. So here, we updated the color from red to blue, and we also added a brand new property called price. And by using delete keyword, we can also remove a property completely from an object. Objects don't just store data, they can also store functions. When a function is inside an object, we call it a method. Let's add one method to our car object. Now our car not only has details, but it can also perform an action when we call its method. So ninjas, that's how objects work in JavaScript. Now head to JavaScript Ninjas and practice this 5 simple question until you feel comfortable with it. See you in the next lesson, strings and template literals.